In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell a digital product on Squarespace. To begin, log into your Squarespace account. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the area for products and services. This is where you manage the items you want to offer through your site. From there, click Products and then choose Add Product to create a new item for sale. When Squarespace asks you to select a product type, choose Digital Download or Digital if that is the label shown in your version. This option is designed for files that customers will receive electronically after purchase, so it is the correct choice for things like ebooks, templates, guides, audio files, or other downloadable content. Next, drag and drop your file into the upload area. Make sure you are uploading the final version of your digital product, so customers receive exactly what you intend to sell. It is a good idea to double-check the file before moving on, especially if this is your first time setting up the product. After that, add your product title and description. Your title should be simple and specific, so people instantly understand what they are buying. In the description, explain what the product includes and why it is valuable. This helps customers feel more confident before making a purchase. You will also want to upload high-quality cover images or mock-up images in the Images section. Strong visuals make the product page look more professional and can improve how appealing the product feels at first glance. Once the content is in place, set your price in the pricing field. Choose a price that matches the value of your product and is clear to your audience. This is the amount customers will see before checkout, so review it carefully. Then click Fulfillment. This section controls how the product is delivered after someone completes a purchase. Since this is a digital product, Squarespace will handle the download process for you. You can also click Custom Email to preview or edit the automated message sent to buyers. This is useful if you want the email to match your brand voice or include a clearer delivery message. Keep it simple and helpful so customers know exactly how to access their file. When everything looks good, click Save or Publish, depending on whether you want to keep it as a draft or make it live right away. After that, your digital product will be ready to sell on your Squarespace site. That covers everything you need to know.